has the ability to be repeated contractions against a muscle or a muscle group. Another health related component that goes with a fitness plan would be muscular strength. This is the amount of force a muscle can produce with a single maximal effort. And that could be doing a bench press or even a squat with weights. Um, this is the one rep that you do that determines your muscular strength for the muscle or muscle groups that you're using. What comes into play during a fitness plan would be the fit principle, which this goes along with the frequency, intensity, time, type of exercise. The F stands for frequency, the I stands for intensity, uh, the first T stands for time, and the second T stands for type of exercise. When you're doing a fitness plan, you don't want to overload your muscles, which that means your muscles get very tired and they can't go no more. You want to have you want to have that you want to do you want to have the your muscle groups not worked as much so that you don't pull anything or you don't stretch anything while you're working out, because that could easily put you out for a couple of weeks to months even. So and that comes into play intensity. You want to have that right amount of intensity when you're doing a fitness plan. You don't want to overdo yourself. In time, you want to have at least 60 minutes of physical activity. And type of exercise, you want to have a different exercise each day. You don't want to be doing the same muscle or muscle groups the same back to back days. Also, another thing that comes into play when doing a fitness plan would be SMART goals. Um, this comes into play when you want to have specific. The S stands for specific, the M stands for measurable, the A stands for achievable, and the R stands for realistic, and the T stands for timely. So you want to have your goal set to specific, where you want to go, and is it